Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical chopsaw, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from chopsaw, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best chopsaw from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Evolution Heavyduty 15-inch Metal Cutting Chopsaw. The Evolution Heavyduty 15-inch Metal Cutting Chopsaw is the ultimate tool for industrial metal cutting, offering unmatched precision and performance. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, this saw easily cuts through mild steel, delivering smooth, burr-free cuts every time. Thanks to its tungsten carbide-tipped blade, it produces cool-to-tooth dry cuts with virtually no sparks, unlike abrasive saws. This saw is versatile with 0 to 45-degree miter angle cuts, and a cast iron vise and quick-release mechanism ensure fast, accurate clamping for safety and convenience. The heavy-duty die-cast aluminum alloy base adds durability, while the onboard chip collection helps keep your workspace clean. The Evolution S380 CPS allows you to switch between 14-inch and 15-inch blades, expanding cutting capacities and offering options for various materials, including aluminum and stainless steel. Backed by a 3-year warranty, this saw is a must-have for anyone looking for precision and power in metal cutting. Number 2. PorterCable 15-amp 14-inch chop saw. The PorterCable 15-amp 14-inch chop saw is built for power, precision, and durability, making it the perfect choice for metal cutting. With a 15-amp 3,800 RPM motor, this chop saw delivers clean, smooth cuts and a long motor life. Its quick-release material clamp ensures easy material handling and removal, while the cutting fence with miter adjustment allows you to make cuts at up to a 45-degree angle. Safety and accuracy are top priorities with the spark deflector, which provides a clear line of sight for precise cutting. The heavy-duty steel base offers exceptional stability, ensuring steady cuts every time. Additionally, the spindle lock makes blade changes quick and hassle-free. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the PorterCable 14-inch chop saw is designed for efficient, reliable metal cutting. Whether you're working with steel or other metals, this tool will handle it with ease. Number 3. DeWalt Sliding Compound 12-inch Miter Saw. The DeWalt Sliding Compound 12-inch miter saw combines precision and power for all your cutting needs. Featuring a 15-amp motor that delivers a powerful 3,800 RPM, this saw ensures smooth, accurate cuts every time. With a stainless steel miter detent plate and 10 positive stops, you can count on quick and accurate miter adjustments. Designed for efficiency, the precise miter system and machined base fence support enhance cutting accuracy, while the tall sliding fences support up to 7 to 1 by 2 inches of crown molding. It also boasts a 2-inch into 14-inch cross-cut capacity at 90 degree and a 2-inch into 10-inch at 45 degree, perfect for a wide variety of materials. With its dual horizontal steel rails, linear ball bearings, and innovative clamping mechanism, the DWS 779 offers unmatched durability and accuracy. Plus, an efficient dust collection system captures over 75% of dust, keeping your workspace cleaner. Ideal for both pros and DIYers. Number 4. VEVOR Miter Saw for Cutting Metal Chop Saw. The VEVOR Miter Saw for Cutting Metal Chop Saw is the ultimate tool for precision metal cutting. Featuring a 14-inch cold-cut saw with dry-cut technology, it ensures cool, smooth, and spark-free cuts, outperforming traditional saw blades. Its ceramic alloy stainless steel blade leaves a clean, flat result while significantly boosting work efficiency. Designed for accuracy, The thicker vise with wave patterns and the saw blade clamping mechanism eliminate wobble, providing a more stable cutting experience. With a 0 to 45-degree adjustable fence, angle cuts are effortless, and the toolless adjustment device makes changing angles simple and fast without needing a wrench. Safety is a top priority with the protective spark guard and soft start device, ensuring secure operation and preventing overheating. Ideal for cutting steel bars, rebar, aluminum, and more, this versatile saw is perfect for construction sites, workshops, and industrial applications. Number 5. Bnce 14-inch Multimaterial Cutter Chop Saw. The Bnce 14-inch Multimaterial Cutter Chop Saw is a versatile, heavy-duty tool designed for cutting a wide range of materials with speed and precision. Equipped with a tungsten carbide-tipped blade, it easily handles ferrous and non-ferrous metals, wood, PVC pipe, composites, and more. The cold cutting technology ensures cuts are cool to the touch, leaving burr-free and smooth edges, outperforming traditional abrasive saws. This powerful saw offers quick, accurate cuts, capable of handling materials up to 5 to 1 by 8-inch round rod and 4 to 3 by 4-inch square tubing. The lock and cut clamp securely holds materials in place, featuring a V-block for locking round rods and tubing, making 45-degree miter cuts effortlessly. The heavy-duty base and rubber footing eliminate vibrations, ensuring high-quality, consistent cuts every time. Perfect for a variety of applications, the Bnce multi-material cutter is ideal for both professional and DIY use, delivering faster, safer, and more efficient cutting. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.